Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Metz, France, and I'm going to go to the, let me see if I can get this right. I even pulled it up before I even tell you, and it's called the, let me find it, hang on, I'm right there, hang on, I'm so close, Porte Allemands. I'm sure that's not right, but let's go take a look. It's right down the street, and so it's right over here, Porte, I can try to say it right, but it's Porte des Allemands. But no S. I guess you don't pronounce the S's in France, so it's Allemande. So I don't know. You know, you just can't get it all right every time. But I just let my pictures do the talking. And there's more of those blue things hanging everywhere. So I don't know if that's from Grumpy the Dragon or... Now that's an interesting thing. So look at here. On the side of the street, they got condoms. See, right on the intersection, you can have a condom. So I think that's pretty amazing. So if you're just hanging out and you have a need for a condom, they're right there. I think we should give them away freely to everybody that ever wanted one, unless they're under 15. So this place is Porte des Allemands. Wait, stop, look at this place. Wow, what is this? Wow, there's a church for you. You know, you just walk around and you just see these amazing things, and it's incredible. And wow. But this is the number 2 spot for Metz. And it's this Porte Castle thing. It's like a small castle, but it looks pretty amazing. And so, wow, look at that! How cool is that? Wow! Wow! That's pretty amazing. Well, I guess we better stay on the side we can cross on. Wow. That's pretty amazing though. Okay. It looks like it's going to take me a minute to cross this street because it's a round corner. So I can't tell when the cars are coming or not coming, so I can't run across. Oh, but I think the red light thing came on, so I think I might be able to cross. Oh, look at that. Who's your daddy? Pay attention, Eric. And there's a wall that goes all the way around this whole thing, and it's pretty amazing. You probably just can't walk in here, can you? Well, we'll get yelled at. Proceed until confronted. Wow, look at this. Wow, what a cute little castle. Huh, I think you can walk all the way through it. So let's walk all the way through it. And it's not open. It's a Monday. And I don't know what those guys are looking at. If there's a wild animal in there, I'm out of here. That's crazy. Does it have a moat too? It looks like it might have a moat, everybody. Wow, it does. Look at that. That is deep. Man, that's like, what, 50 feet, 70 feet? I don't know. It's pretty big, but look at it this way. Oh, and it's surrounded by water. Oh my gosh, look over there, everybody. Wow, that's amazing. Let me see if I can find a better view. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like a storybook theater kind of thing. I mean, it's just amazing that you know. So I found out what that line is. You see that line in the bottom right corner? Well, you won't see it because it's on my other camera, sorry. Let me look at this other thing here real quick. This other side. So my camera, I have a broken lens on the, see it up there? And so it's interfering with my pictures. Wow, look at this. Is that amazing? Wow. That's just incredible. And the whole thing, I mean, it's surrounded by water. You see the water down there floating by? Oh, look at this. That's incredible. Wow. Wow, wow. It's like a little storybook kind of place. Wow. Huh. Wow. That is perfect. I just don't know that you get a better little castle than that in a little town like this. That's just phenomenal. Wow. Incredible, everybody. Well, I wish I could go inside. I have to wait until they open. I think it's tomorrow, but I don't know for sure. But I can't wait. There's too many other things to see. I certainly captured this. There's nothing else you can do except run around the ramparts and stuff and climb the towers, but it's still just stupid phenomenal. Let me back up even more so you get a better view of it. Look at this. What'd you do today? Oh, I went and played at the castle, Mom. Did you get in trouble, son? Oh, hell yeah, I did, Mom. Oh, great. You did good. Too funny. Wow. Okay. This made the whole thing worthwhile, so I love it. Just incredible. Shut the door, everybody. Okay, I'll stop yapping and I'll just let you enjoy this view real quick. Wow. I mean, you have to imagine that there's guys in these towers shooting arrows down at this advancing army, and there's guys running through the water trying to get to the castle, and guys throwing up hooks and trying to scale the castle, and these guys dumping hot oil on them. And I mean, geez, think about what's taking place here. I wonder if the view looks this way. Hang on. All right, I'm not saying goodbye yet. Let's go look at this way. I like the two towers and these big towers. It's like it's a double jointed, or they added on to the castle. Wow. Man, that is phenomenal. What's your next house gonna look like? Just like this. Wow. Oh, they've got a little walkway. Hang on, let me bust over here to the walkway. Wow. Very cool, everybody. Thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for sharing my castle with me. It's always a pleasure. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.